anyway, the route's going to be down this path to the bathroom first, and then we're going to go through some of northeast Minneapolis, over to North Mississippi Regional Park, which is a kind of a joint operation between the Minneapolis Park Board, because it's in Minneapolis, and Three Rivers, which is.
I think we can do this. So the biggest thing is to have a good distance between you and the person in front of you when you're following somebody, and even when you're riding side by side, which you can do if we're on a trail, not to get too close, because 99% of the accidents are biker upon biker. So we.
Is that the Northrop King building?
No, that's the California building. It's It's called Art of World. And all the studios are open and they're going to feed you, and it's very fun.
Yeah. And then that tornado came through a couple of years ago and completely wiped out the whole rookery. And I think they relocated down by Coon Rapids Dam.
We're going to go along here. There's a bike path here and then under, and then we're going over, I don't know.
Walker's right.
neighborhood.
Thank you.
Here,
I
yeah,
love
you
your
are welcome.
neighborhood.